Hey guys, आज तो मीठा खाने का मूड बहुत हो रहा है बॉस। Now this is one recipe which I've actually never made before. My dear nephew Yash, it's his recipe, but actually it's not his recipe as he says. It's the Basque Cheesecake recipe. Basque is a region in Spain where the famous city of San Sebastian is, okay? Very popular for its food, fine dine restaurants. It's like the mecca of food in Spain, okay? So basically what I've done, I've taken 200 grams of cream and 200 grams of sugar. And उसको हल्का सा हमने melt कर दिया. So basically the idea is to melt the sugar in the cream. That's it. So we have a sweet cream. Now here we have egg whites and egg yolks. Okay, we've got 70 grams of egg yolks, 140 grams of egg whites, and we've got about almost 450 to 475 grams of a really nice cream cheese and about 20 grams of flour to mix. Now it's very simple. They also say that such a delicious cake or such a delicious dessert has the shortest list of ingredients. That's one more khubiyat iski. So chalo, very simple. We've got our cream and butter over here. We've got our egg whites, we have our egg yolks, and we have our cream cheese. So what we're going to do first is I'm going to mix the egg whites, egg yolks, and the cream cheese together. So I've just added 70 grams of egg yolks, to which I'm adding 140 grams of egg white. To that, I'm going to be adding cream cheese, about 475 grams of cream cheese. Lovely. Perfecto. Nice. So, इसको अभी हम यहाँ पे ग्लास में डाल देते हैं. This is our sugar and cream. Perfect. चलो, ये हो गया. Let's start mixing this up slowly now. Peace and love. Basque cheesecake का mixture ready. Cake नहीं, okay? So the whole idea is to get a really nice emulsion. So we've got 70 grams of egg yolks, 140 grams of egg white, we've got 200 grams of sugar, we've got 200 mils of cream, and 475 grams of gorgeous cream cheese. To this, just to finish it off, we have to add 15 to 20 grams of flour, which I'm just going to add it. So literally, just to bring it together. So हमारा cheese cake का mixture ready है. Oven, very important. 240 to 250 degrees Celsius. So here we've got a nice prepared things, okay? Now, literally when you go to a shop or you go to a place and when they are selling Basque cheesecake, you've got this really crumpled kind of paper around it, okay? So, इसको हमने हल्का सा पानी में wet कर दिया तो ये अच्छी तरह crumple हो सके और हमने इसमें डाल दिया बस. So now we're going to pour this almost like 2/3 up here. Perfect. Nice. 250 degrees, boom, in the oven. See you soon. Exactly in 23 to 25 minutes, I'm going to be bringing it out. And remember, it needs at least 2 hours to chill. So remember, अगर आपको रात को खाना होगा ना केक, तो आपको morning में बनाना पड़ेगा. Please keep that in mind. Jiggle. Perfect. This has come out. I know it's looking really delicious that we have to eat it now, but we can't because inside it's still molten. तो अभी हम at least 2 घंटे हम इसे cool कर देते हैं और फ्रिज में डालेंगे. Till then what happens, the internal heat, the residual heat जो अंदर है वो उसको जमा देगी, तो अंदर बिल्कुल ही जिगी 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 है, ठीक है? आई बात समझ में? थैंक यू। सो दिस हैज कम आउट ऑफ द फ्रिज फॉर लिटरली 2 hours and you can see it's nice and set. So all I'm going to do is just take this out and literally exactly how the Basque cheesecake comes out to be. Lovely. Check this out. Fantastico. Beautiful. Be a little careful with this. Oh yeah. I think this is one of the most delicious desserts that you can make at home. Just 5 or 6 ingredients and you've got a fabulous treat for you and your family. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Do like, do share and do subscribe.